So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this very short tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable and disable haptic mode on iPhone Face ID. When you turn it on, it will alert that your iPhone is unlocked, and when you disable, it's not showing anything when you unlock your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Before moving to the videos, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Okay, firstly you need to open your iPhone setting. Okay, this method works same for all iPhone that supported Face ID. Now scroll down and find here accessibility option. You can see appears on screen showing here, tap on accessibility. Okay, now you need to tap on Face ID and attention, tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen in the bottom, haptic on successful, turn it on if you want to get haptic on iPhone Face ID. If you want to not, just disable it. By doing that simple step, you can easily enable and disable haptic mode on any iPhone that supported Face ID. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.